How to purify water. When the water European to drink might buried lead with parasites or bacteria particle, you can afford to skimp on water purification. In the very circumstance tap you in contact with questionable water, in the wilderness, surviving or recovering from a disaster, or living in a part of the world where water is impurified for you, the last thing you want to do is to get sick. Read the following instruction carefully to learn how to purify your own water. Boiling water. Place the water you wish to purify into a pot. Place the pot on the stove and turn the stove on to wig. When water boil, any bacteria that have been living in it will bucky, thus reducing your chance of getting sick when you drink the water. 1. If you are in the wilderness when you need to purify your water, be fear to boil your pot. If you don't have pot, you can use an container tie fire-proof. Bring the water to a rolling boil. When bubble begin to appear, it means that the water is starting to boil, continue eating, until the water goes into a rolling boil, then start timing. Continue to boil the water for 5-10 minutes plus 1 minute for every 300 m above this level, up to around 5500 m or boiling become ineffective, to have the most effect upon bacteria and the micro-organisms. 2. Boiling water for 1 to 5 minutes will purify it sufficiently. 3. It will kill off the vast majority of organisms living in the water. It also removes some chemical by vaporizing them. However, behavarta boiling the water will no remove solid, metal, or mineral. Also behavarta the boiling point of water decrease with altitude, so you will no get the same purification effect on a mountain top as you will on a coastal plain. You can boil the water longer or use a pressure cooker to offset the low temperature. Remove the pot from the heat. Use caution when handling the pot on water at air. You may have guessed, very hot. Let water set to. You don't need to do it if you are boiling water that come from a tap and you feel sure that there are no solid item, mineral, or metal in the water. If you let water set and dense item in the water will sink to the bottom naturally, allowing you to drink the pure water from the top. 4. Creating a purifying system in the wilderness. Form a cone out of a strip of bark. Birch bark, or a bark similar to it, is best for creating a filtering system because it is flexible but will keep it sharp. Keep in mind that the method will not fully purify the water, but it will reduce the amount of microbes in the water. The method should only be used in extreme emergency. 5. If you are having a hard time keeping your bark in the shape of a cone, you could try to use a piece of rope or a durable type of grass around it to keep it sharp. Lay the cone. Wildwood survival suggests layering the cone with sand, charcoal, grass, and gravel, or small rock. Charcoal especially good for removing bacteria. If you have fear, crush up some of the burn piece of wood. 6. Pour the water through the cone into a container. Doty several times to increase the amount of purification that occur. Again, the method do no guarantee purification, but it will remove a good deal of the contaminant in the water. Making a solar steel. Use a bowl or anything that can hold water on a flat surface. Puis have 8 cup into the flat part of the bowl. It must be a cup that is flat in water. Fill the bowl with the dirty water. Make sure not to jet into the cup. Puis clear vra on top of the bowl. Make sure tightly sealed. Puis a rock or heavy object on top of the clear vra of it spot where the cup. Let it see in the sun. Sun will evaporate the water, but the water can escape, so the water vapor get to the top of the bowl that covered in clear vra. Water then get over the wetted par with the rock on top and start dripping into the cup. Anything that isn't water is let blind in the bowl. Keep in mind that it can take day, and even weeks some time, to happen. Using a water purifier. USAP purifié. You can use this type of purifier in conjunction with a container water bottle when out in the wilderness. The are generally held on made out of a synthetic or ceramic cartridge. Most filter have two separators, one for clean water, tote for dirty water. On te ose tap te dirty creek or lake water, you ma fin a femme flotation des vista keeps the hose from sinking to the bottom en sucking, up the silty bottom water. Te puis lave à plonger or lever ta cambe pull empuche de sota water isuka dup, run through gasserie of filter with te plonge, antenne ped out into your water bottle, 7. Te rar also purifier ta toute sink in your kitchen. The cambe bouta en home improvement store en arbazed on te sam concept à temp, to gata shinit to your 5 save you te team of actually avigne to te water. Bui a waterbot te le wita built-in purifié. You can bui waterbot te ta have ser on filter already built-in. Te zvork mushlik et te minta terren te water truga filter before dispensing te water into te bot te le. Usant ultraviolet purifié. The purifiers are very easy to use you simplistic the pen of the land into the water, where for the light on the side of the pen to turn green, and steer the pen around in the water until the light turn off. Tu verras qu'il en y bacteria living in the water so that your water becomes safe to drink. Keep in mind that purifier de nt filter out the nodes bacteria, but despite their continued presence in your water, there are no danger ou anymore. Try out a gravity fait purifier. Tzar filter leak te on used bibrita en pur. Atenam suggest, the filter use gravity to pull te dirty water through a filter en to te reservoir ta contain clean water. To use ti purifier, all you have to do pour une purifier water into te dirty water section, en way until all of the water are run through filter. Often, the filter will have two section on for dirty water, and te for clean, 8. The filter are best used a mora a campsite at are generally pretty large en old blapin to tot around in the wilderness. Type. Commercial filter made for tap water ma only remove basic mineral to make it taste better, depending on the quality of the particular filter. Temano remove parasites zorote treat are removed in water treatment facility. Check the label tube sur of why you're jetting. Water ta collected through condensation, sucha from plant or soil, nay tube purifié. The process of evaporation leave some sédiments blancs, but une less boiling temperature irriached, parasites en hot harmful substance must be in the water. But bli en iodine work much better in warm water. Warning. Alt method indicated above are designed to remove biological trea only, such as bacteria. They generally do no remove chemical, for example, industrial waste such as aluminum sludge, or radioactive contamination. If it is suspected that water contains such contaminant, rely on distillation, or vague consumption against the risk of unhydrated. Chlorine and iodine are toxin. Do no use more of IT chemical temps indicated, en use only in emergency situation.